In 1978, Technisch Bureau Andriessen was founded by Leon Andriessen. At the time, workshop equipment was imported and sold on the Dutch market, supplemented with the necessary service and training. Since 1985, we have been developing and producing PTI measuring equipment, such as emission testers and brake benches, under the name TEN Automotive Equipment. At this time, these companies work closely together and we are known as TBA TEN. TEN supplies workshop equipment all over the world. In 2018, we have built a completely new building where working comfort and productivity are central. From Baumbrugge, our team of sales professionals and experts in the field of workshop equipment are continuously working to provide our customers all over the world with the necessary products, including the right knowledge to get started right away. TEN supplies its own products. Our international sales network also supplies private label products to OEM customers. We have permanent partners in various countries who assist us with the local sales and delivery of the products and provide the necessary maintenance. In our production department, a team of professionals work on assembling our products. Different disciplines come together here to deliver the best possible product. These are our own products under the TEN label, but private label products are also developed here for our OEM customers. After assembly, each product is carefully checked according to set procedures. Only after approval from our specialists is the product ready for storage in our warehouse or sent directly to our customers. We have all the mechanical and electronic equipment to develop, produce and maintain all our products in-house. Our own R&D department consists of a team of engineers, each with their own expertise and disciplines. These experts are busy developing and researching new equipment on a daily basis. Our products are developed from the printed circuit board into a well-functioning product. From a 3D drawing to a working tester, everything is done by our own team of professionals. In our own mechanical workshop, we can carry out the necessary repairs or modifications to our equipment. Here, we can also add additional options to make the use of the workshop equipment easier. The warehouse contains all the necessary components for production and after-sales service. This way, we can guarantee a fast production time and service intervention. New parts arrive every day and the stock is replenished. Our own produced testers are also packed here and shipped to our customers at home and abroad. The sales and marketing team is located at the recently new built office of TEN, as well as our accounting and administrative department. TEN has their own technical department with 5 service technicians who all have their own region located in the Netherlands. Each technician visits periodically for the necessary maintenance and calibration. We are always around to help where needed. Both TBA and TEN work on new challenges every day and are continuously developing and improving their equipment. The fixed range of products forms the base for their company. We are proud of the company and the fact that our equipment is used by our loyal customers worldwide. Are you looking for new workshop equipment or the latest PTI measuring equipment? We would like to help you anywhere and at any time. Have a look at our website for the possibilities or contact us directly by following the number.